Hello, my name is Derek Denman, owner of Deep Rock Foundations, and today we're going to take a look at some common visual signs to help you identify whether or not you might need foundation repair.
So let's go take a look at this house. This one showed some very large visual signs and that are pretty common that should help you identify some problems. So look here, you'll see, the caulk line on the brick is really showing where the brick used to be, and it's moved forward, leaning towards the front of the house. Here's another common sign. The freeze board up here is kicking out because the brick is settling right there in that corner. When we fix it, it'll go right back where it was. Here's another, the other side just moving along the front of the house. Same freeze board, just further down, it's kicking out. This is by the front door. There was a large crack showing there. And then on the far left side of the house, in the middle, you can see this expansion joint, and it was pretty big, pretty opened up. That's a real common sign designed to save your brick from cracking. I could almost stick my finger in it there before we fixed it. Then inside the house, you can see in the garage this large crack running from the left side of the house all the way across to the right side of the house, where we saw that big expansion joint at the beginning by the window. It ran through their tile all the way through their house. So if you're seeing signs like these visual signs that you saw in the video around your house, expansion joints, freeze boards, and cracks, maybe you see cracks in your tile or in your sheetrock, sometimes doors will freeze up and you can't open them, it's a good idea to get it checked out. 1 out of 6 of the evaluations we run, the home's okay, it's just moved some, and we can give you good tips on moving forward, how to protect your investment in the long run. But the reality is most foundations aren't getting better over time, and you can save quite a bit of money by addressing it earlier and slowing the progression of settlement through your house, which can lead to stuff like broken tile and countertops, sheetrock damage, brick damage, plumbing damage, roofing damage. And so over time, it's best to just address these issues early and then at least come up with a plan on how you can get it taken care of over time. So give us a call, and you can visit us at our website, deeprockfoundations.com, and we can schedule an appointment with you.